to you, ladies and gents. Ladies and gents, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How's everybody doing this morning? We're back on the vlog. I was actually late to rise today, shockingly. Woke up at 8 a.m. The bros are over there already. Got a fire going. Okay, this thing is not cooperating. There we go. This little piece right here, I bought. I actually got given as a gift like 10 years ago. The fact that it still works is a fucking miracle. There we go. Adorable. Let me put some more water on there. Jan the Don. This is Jan the Don. He doesn't want to be on video because he's not cool enough. Oh, there's plenty of water. I guess I'll drink that like regular water, hey? Boop. Now we prepare. Do you have a reusable filter?
Yeah. No. I'm just using the paper one.
Yeah. I have like, they give you like 10,000 of them. You'll never run out.
Yeah. I didn't even know they made a reusable.
They do.
What is it? It's like a mesh?
Yeah.
Like a metal mesh?
I have one, but I do want to use up the paper ones because if I don't want to throw them out.
There's some in the red one already.
No, I have the whole thing. I have. Look at this. Do you have a black? You have a see-through, right?
Yeah.
Weird. Mine is a regular schmegular. Oh. There we go. Look at this. Look how glorious this is. This is what camping is all about. Just waking up and then immediately making a coffee. All right. I'm not even gonna use a press. I use it as a dripper, which is my preferred style. And while I wait for the water to boil, we roll our doobie. Beautiful. Put this over here. First, you have to prime your filter. I know, but I'll put it on the side. It'll dry. Put it right here. All right, here we go. I'd imagine we're boiling now. So first, then I'm gonna steal your scoop. Oh, it's funny, we both brought a little bag of ground coffee.
It's an AeroPress orgy up here.
I know, bro. Mine is a special medium McDonald's blend. Have you ever had McDonald's coffee before? I'm not even using this tool because technically this was for.
Oh, you just used it. That's it.
I did use it, didn't I? All right. Now we got to turn off the water. Oh God, don't stop. I'm gonna turn off. All right. And now comes the fun part. Totes adorbs. I don't even press it. I just drip it. No need to get all crazy on though. And that's how you do it, boys and girls. That's how you make a coffee. Don't try it at home. This might be the most scenic AeroPress coffee I've ever made. Well, actually, that's not true. I've made it in a beautiful field in Vermont. That was nice. But this is pretty dope.
You gotta have a bucket list.
It's true.
Do it in a field, do it in front of a waterfall, do it in front of a view.
Well, I always want to do a list. Because, like, you know, you're going to forget all the places you've been and all the places you camped. I should do a list of my favorites. Nice. Add a little more water. And yes, this way the coffee will be a little weaker, but then it's also not gonna blow your through. Did you press it with the pressy thing?
I did. I used it at how it was intended.
No, there's like 12 different ways to use this thing, bro. Come on. Haven't you seen all the recipes on the internet? I put in that wet one so it can dry out.
Smart. What a beautiful little area.
A little slice of paradise. Nice. All right. It's almost time. Almost time. A little slice of paradise. Did you have your coffee, Dave?
I had a coffee.
Like I brought enough coffee for like everybody. Everybody did.
No, I only brought like 3 cups worth.
Oh, really?
Or 4 maybe.
No, I mean I brought like 4, but how many cups are you planning on drinking?
I don't know, probably just going to end up making 2 on this trip.
I'm gonna have this one and probably one more in like an hour. My hands are dirty already. Yeah. I just cleaned them. Anyway. Do a little bit more.
Wow. Just a little. It's meant,
Oh yeah.
It's probably the lightest.
Mine is the same. Mine fits into this little box.
Yeah, but look.
Yeah, yours is even smaller.
It's really small.
Was yours more than $3?
This was, I paid like I think 60 or 70.
60 or something. Well, yeah. This thing was $3 and I got it 10 years ago, like 8 years ago for my first championship. The fact that it still works is insane.
Everything I'm buying for like camping
You want it to
is
last.
made out of titanium. Yeah, except
Ooh.
for that. But
All right. You know what? I'll use the plunger just for you, Yoni. Plunge that ass. Oh wait, I did bring my scoop. What the fuck is wrong with me?
I don't know, dude.
Why did I like ask to borrow your scoop?
You might have been up all night or something.
Nah. Me? Nah. I knew I came prepared. Yo, you know what I forgot, Yoni? My wallet. I don't have my ID. I don't have any credit cards.
What? In general?
Yeah, at home. Yeah. In general, yeah. Oh man.
So when you get pulled over, you might have an issue.
Who said I'm getting pulled over? I'm on a Ducati. We don't get pulled over. We pull people over. You know what I mean? Dave gets it. That guy gets it.
When we go to the diner, they're gonna pull me over. You're gonna be the only person they can't identify. Like, what's the
I had to like hide in the rows when we were buying beer yesterday. I think he's from Russia. You should say that. That was bad. That's not how it's supposed to work.
I did it into the...
I know. Mine was supposed to be so much smoother. The whole operation fell apart.
It wasn't a perfect puck like Yoni's.
Well,
No.
my shit is like powderized.
Yeah.
He's using like a medium grain.
I'm using McDonald's blend. I literally bought like a pound of McDonald's coffee. It's the best. Wouldn't say this was the perfect cut, but I think it's gonna be fine. Oh yes. Oh yes. That easy. To you, ladies and gents.